In this full Pictory AI tutorial video, I'll walk you through step by step how to use script to generate videos with the power of AI with only a few clicks. You can use these videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and other social media platforms. In order to get started with Pictory, I'll leave a link to the free trial in the description below, along with a 20% coupon code if you so desire to upgrade to any one of the paid plan. Let's jump to my computer screen so that I can show you how to use Pictory. Now guys, as you can see, I'm on the Pictory.ai website, and to sign up for the free trial or to log in, you can either click the free trial or you can just click login. Then you can enter your email address or password. In my case, I'll use my Gmail, so I'll continue with Gmail. Now, once you enter your email address, it will ask you a few questions just to gather some data about you. And here you can see it's asking me, what is my main video goal? I will just choose personal use. Next. And then it's also asking me about organization, etc. I will just say solo, because I'm going to just use it for myself. And I will just choose content creator right here and submit. Now, once you log in, everything is done, guys. You will see the dashboard of Pictory here. And here you can see what you can use the tool to do. As you can see, you can use to do script to video, you can do article to video, and you can also do edit videos using text or visual to video. And it's really amazing. And this is the free trial, guys. But if you'd like to upgrade, go ahead, hit the upgrade button and select one of the plans that you choose. It's up to you, premium or standard. Go ahead and choose buy, and you want to enter this coupon code, coupon 20, and then you want to click apply. Once you will click apply, it will give you 20% discount. As you can see, you get $93.60 discount from the $468. That's amazing. And that's how you can go ahead and use the coupon code to get a low price for your subscription. Now let's go back to Pictory, and I will just go ahead and show you how we can utilize a script to make a video. So let's click this and proceed. Now, as you can see, I've used chatgpt to come up with a video script. Now it's a full video script, and it's for a video about the law of attraction, a 5-minute video. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will just take a part of the video. Now let me go ahead and grab a part of this video, and I will put it into Pictory. Now I need to do a bit of a modification to this. I will just take out the title here and enter into my video titles, delete a few details here. And what you always want to do, guys, you always want to modify your text so that it's easier when Pictory is generating the video. He can get enough data, and this is good because what this is going to do is going to allow the AI to come up with more accurate scene for each sentence. Let's put it like that. Now, as you can see, I'm done right here, and all I need to do is go ahead and click proceed. Now this has now led me to where I can choose a template, and I will just go ahead and find something that I like. For the sake of this tutorial, I will just choose this template. And as you can see, you have 3 types. You have the 1x1, you have the 9x16, which is good for like TikTok, Instagram post, and this is for normal size videos, or let's say YouTube style videos. So let me go ahead and choose this one. Now, as you can see, it is, let's say, creating my video, generating everything for me, finalizing my visuals, and here you can see, guys, my video is generated. Now it's mentioned about watermark. You can click that off. You can always adjust your text if you feel like you want to do so. You can go ahead and you can check your scenes there. You can also play around with the transitions. You can add transitions if you like. You can preview your video, you can trim it. You can add voiceover as well, guys. You can add voiceover. So if you would like to record your own voice, you can just make sure that your microphone is working and click record voice here. Or if you already have an uploaded voiceover, you can just basically upload it to the video and sync it. Now I'm gonna walk you through these different options here. As you can see, this is the story section, And this is basically where you have your text, right? And you can always go ahead and modify your text by double clicking on it and just modify whatever you want to change if you so desire to change something. If you feel like a text is too long, you can always click on it as well, double click on it, and you can split the scene. So if you feel like it's too long or too wordy and you like to have a different scene, you can split the sentence if it's too long and have a different scenery so that it's much better. It's up to you. Now under visual, you can find more videos, more stock footages. So if you have a video that you don't like, for example, let's say in scene 7, it's mentioned something about the power of the mind. I can change it to whatever I want. Let's just use this for example. I can go ahead and I can just click on the video and it will automatically substitute the previous video that is already there. And yeah, that's how you go ahead and just change videos. If you want to search for something, you can use the search bar and I can find more stock footage. And if I want to change it, you just click on the video and it will be on the current scene. On the elements, guys, you can easily find lots of emojis, GIFs, and you can also find stickers. You can always use the search bar to find there. And on the audios, you have over 15,000 tracks, and you can automatically choose a background music if you so desire. Now, as you can see, I have one background music applied, but you can go ahead and search for whatever you want. And once you find something, just basically click apply for video. Under text, you can go ahead and you can add your own additional text box to the video. So if you want to add some custom text, you can add, just basically click on it and add whatever text you want. And you can go ahead and change the font, you can change the side, color, etc. You get the idea. Under styles, you see where you can basically add your own style. So you have intro, you have outro, and you also have default scene styles. So you can always go ahead and make your changes there and set your own custom styles or choose from templates. Under branding, this is where you can enable intro, and also if you have your own logo, you can automatically use your own logo as well. Let me go ahead and show you how this works. As you can see, the logo is there and I can always change it. And here in the top right hand side, you can see the logo of the video as well. This can be your channel icon or something like that, or your channel brand logo. You can add there. And on the format as well, as I mentioned before, you can choose the aspect ratio. And as well, you can see the resolution that you can choose 720p or 1080p. Now, what I'm gonna do to make this video even better, because it's only text and video, I'm going to add a voiceover to it by showing you how you can use some of the voiceovers that they have inside the tool. So as you can see on the audio here, then I will go to voiceover. If I have my own voiceover, I can add it to this section, or I can basically choose one of the characters here that they have, and once I will apply one of these persons, then they will sync and do the voiceover for me very smooth. Now let me go ahead and find someone. Let's go ahead and choose, for example, Matthew. Hear what Matthew sound like.
Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%. Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
And that's very nice. You have so many of them, guys. And you can go ahead and you can play around with the different speaker there. But for the sake of this video, I will go ahead and I will just apply Matthew to my video. Now, once Matthew is applied, he will go ahead and he will do the voiceover for the entire video. That's how easy it is. Now, once you're finished with the video, all you need to do, guys, is just head over to download and then choose video, and this will automatically process your video for you. And once it's done, all you need to do is download the video. Now let's allow it a moment for it to process the video. Now guys, as you can see, my video is now ready. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the download button to have this video downloaded. And I am going to play this video so that you can see what was created by Pictory.ai.
Welcome back, amazing viewers. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of the law of attraction. If you've ever wondered how to manifest your dreams and create a life you truly desire, then you're in the right place. So, let's jump right into it. The law of attraction is a powerful concept that suggests that our thoughts and emotions have the ability to shape our reality. Simply put, like attracts like. What we focus on and believe in, we attract into our lives. It's all about harnessing the power of our minds to manifest our desires. Our thoughts and beliefs act as magnets, drawing experiences, people, and opportunities that align with our predominant mindset. If we consistently think positively and believe.
Now guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video, and if you do, go ahead, let us know in the comments below and give this video a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to the channel to show some support, to see much more videos coming out every week like this one.